We've heard of a lot of things, on-demand business, business anytime, anywhere, don't miss an opportunity. I mean, all this finally boils down to what? Mobility. That's what we are talking today, mobility, enterprise mobility, because that's what we do at VPEX Solutions. We've been there for the past 1 year or so, and Gartner definitely acknowledges that mobility and wireless are the key spenders in the coming years. In fact, enterprises aspire for what? I mean, greater productivity, customer retention, and so on. So, how do they do this? Obviously, I mean, these are the points. These are the specific areas where they would want to concentrate. And that's what we do, as I said. We help enterprises go mobile. And our focus right now is on the retail domain, where we are working with retail organizations to help their functions get mobile. Functions like sales, support, marketing as well. Then, of course, I mean, you have a whole lot of activities around logistics, distribution, which need a lot of mobility, and that's where we are working along with these retail enterprises. So how do we do this? We are doing this with our own products. That's something which we think is a differentiator we bring on the table. How do we do this? Again, yes, we do this by partnering with these organizations. We are not wanting to position ourselves as a vendor to these organizations. We would want to partner with them right from the design stage, wherein we define the solution, sit with them, define the requirements, find out how we can evolve the solution, and at times even take this solution to the market along with them. That's how we would want to do that. Basically, what it means is the Indian market, the Indian retail organization, and in fact the retail worldwide is probably one of the biggest spenders in the next 2 years. That again is a Gartner note. So what's happening is in India the retail obviously is growing very fast. But India being a price-sensitive market, always, I mean, for all the products, positioning ourselves as a vendor is a problem, has been a problem. We have seen that. So we have very clearly positioned ourselves as a partner, where we would work with them to, as I said, define the solution, but go ahead and work with them in an OPEX model. That's where we kind of differentiate ourselves from a lot of other players. So. If you ask me what kind of competition we are working with, well, everybody is a competition today, because most of the enterprise organizations or most of the enterprise solution providers today are getting into mobile. But the target segment we have is very different. We are targeting the SME, the mid-sized retail organizations who would want to get into the bigger game and try and reduce their costs as they move ahead. So that's where we are. And I mean, of course, I wouldn't want to talk about the products right now, but you could, go and check out our website. You'll find a lot more details of the products there. But the bottom line is enterprise mobility for the SME segment in a partnership model is what we are doing. Thanks a lot. My name is Pawan, and I'm the co-founder of VPEX. Questions, please.
So, does the product have other aspects to it also?
Well, as I said, we are focusing on the retail domain. So we have a domain knowledge on the retail. We have a legacy there. I mean, this is my third venture, so we have had a lot of work around the retail and the FMCG domain. So that kind of an experience has helped us evolve some products. As I said, the sales, the support, distribution, marketing. These are the areas where we have developed products. These are products which are ready to deploy. But at the same time, we also understand that one product is not a fit for all. So we would obviously end up customizing for everybody because we work with them as a partner. That's the position.
So the question on how you enable them to be mobile in their operations.
Right.
Do you actually mean that you maybe help transition some of their apps to, let's say, a handheld sort of a environment?
That's right.
Or enable them to sort of do more business on a laptop, or how exactly?
Well, it's a combination, but obviously handheld is a key component there. I mean, a lot of times, especially when you're talking about, say, distribution itself. I mean, when you talk about distribution, there are multiple points where transactions happen. Right from the warehouse to the point the good reaches the customer. At all these points, if you have a handheld with other paraphernalia, I mean, as in you have a RFID reader or you have a barcode reader, so on and so forth, and a GPRS-based synchronization stuff. I mean, all these jargons. All these are areas are where the productivity increases. All these areas where you actually help your customers kind of have a very open kind of a transaction. Absolutely no chance for pilferage, no chance for any kind of a I mean, basically the cheating. I mean, I hate to use this word, but that's the point which keeps coming out in the retail. My guy goes out and distributes, but I don't know whether he's really going there. That's the main point in a typical retail scenario. So that's what we are trying to address by trying to make it as open as possible. That's what we are doing. Yeah, we do have. In fact, we have. We've been there for the past 1 year now, and we have worked with some of the organizations here in India as well. Of course, as I said, India being a very price-sensitive market, we have not been able to get a big customer yet on a long-term basis, but we are working on that. But we have worked with Pilots in Coffee Day. We have worked with Wildcraft. So these are some of the names which we have worked with in the recent past. But yes, internationally, yes, we have got a decent amount of success. Where it's not really like a partnership model, but we want to pursue the partnership model in India, in the OPEX model. That's what we want to do.
We could take one more question.
So what is the market opportunity that you're looking at in your product or service?
In terms of numbers?
So whatever. I think you currently are more focused from the services side in India, but maybe globally from a product perspective.
Well, we don't want to again position ourselves as a services company. We want to say that we are a products company, but we would want to partner and deploy the solutions in an OPEX model. So in that process, if we need to customize something, yes, we will do that. And there we probably will become a services company. But we don't want to say that we are a services organization. Very clearly, because that's the IP we are building, and if at all at any point of time we want to get in to the funding stage, that's where we bring in the value. That's what we are doing. Thanks a lot.